Somebody just woke up. What's your name?
Hi.
Say good morning. What's up? It's your girl Bling Mom 94 and I'm back again with another review. Today I wanted to do something a little different. I did make a Bath and Body Works purchase. They had a sale going on, so I just wanted to review everything that I had, not only for me, but I also got something for my fiance as well. Bath and Body Works just actually dropped a new fragrance for men, and I did get it for him, so I'm gonna go ahead and tell you guys how he likes it and everything. So this is how everything came. I love Bath and Body Works boxes too, but they're so fine. So I did get the pink chiffon, and it's just this with shower gel, the lotion, and the spray, and just this pretty holographic. It was buy 3 get 3 free. That's what it was. It was a little sale going on. Never. So it kind of smells like a cookie, like a sweet cookie, like a gingery smell. I like it, but it's like a sweet ginger, like a fruity ginger. I really like it. It's really nice. A warm smell, more like I said, like a cookie. It smells like a fruity cookie. Real warm smell. It smells super good. So for the next purchase, I did get this for my fiance. I got him actually 2 bars or so, but he couldn't wait till I did the review, so he's actually using one now. It's in the shower, but it comes like this. Has Bath and Body Works always made like bars of soap? I don't know, but yes, I like this. This is super dope, and this is called Noir Man collection. It's a shea butter cleansing bar. That, and this is the lotion. He did wear it, and I actually like it. Like, so ladies, I think that you'll definitely like this. Yeah, you'll definitely like this. It's like it smells kind of expensive, like a Gucci Guilty. It smells super good. I like it. Little hand sanitizer, and it's just all studded out, really cute. I got these, and this is the Cactus Blossom smell. Oh, this smells so good, it just don't make no sense, but it came in a 5-pack, so that's this. Super cute, super pretty. And then you can put a hook on there, so you can hook it on your bag or keys or whatever. It smells so good. I think that everybody should have this in their collection, but I am downsizing my bags, so I need smaller lotions. I was carrying like the full size in my purse, and at this point I'm tired of the strain on my arm, so I'm downsizing everything. I already have like the full size lotion and spray for this, but yes, this is one of my favorites, and it smells super good, and it's long lasting. Yeah, super good, and it's small size, so yes, I always recommend these. So that is all for this video, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed. Like, comment, and subscribe. Until next time, peace, love, and the smoke.